Tingin nga. Kita ba? Legit, Brad.
Legit check.
Teka, walang ilaw.
Flashlight.
Wala akong flash na wala cellphone. Alright, hello and welcome to a new video here at Fitman TV. Today is a weird but special day. Today, we have our RWB kit for the 997. It's right over here. Okay, I guess baba na natin muna while I discuss kung bakit importante itong RWB build na ito. Okay, so we are here at the shop. Medyo busy, sensya na. So, let's discuss. Alright, so you all know this car from my channel. This is actually, I think, my second video or my third video. Okay, and sa channel na to, ito yung most viewed video about this car. Or sorry, yung video tungkol dito is yung most viewed video ko sa channel na ito. So, this is our Porsche 911 na 997 manual. The title of that video is called Buying My Dream Car. And yes, this is my dream car. It's a manual Porsche. That was my prerequisite lang. It doesn't have to be the 997. Doesn't have to be an air-cooled Porsche, of course. So expensive. Okay? Basta 911 na manual. May it be way cheaper, way more expensive, pero I pulled the plug on this guy kasi it just happened so fast, no? When it was right, it was right. So, manual gearbox and a Porsche 911. Okay, so bago natin to ituloy, another dream of mine is to get an RWB. So, of course, pansin mo, it was two things na intertwined to each other. I always wanted a Porsche. At the same time, I always wanted an RWB. That was my two dreams. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, if I can combine that into one car, it would be the best gift for myself. And we're making it happen. And one of the reasons why binili ko rin 997 is because the 997 is actually the most affordable Porsche you can buy to this day na it has the DNA or the passion of a real Porsche pa rin. The 911s na air-cooled, masyadong mahal. Can't afford it. The 911s na masyadong bago, past 2010, I can't afford it. It's so expensive. And this is what I can afford right now in my life. And kaya I pulled the plug on this. And luckily, swerte that RWB, Nakaisan, made the 997 RWB kit last year. And after hearing that, I was immediately happy because now, an RWB is very attainable. Okay? Before, you have to buy an air-cooled Porsche to get an RWB. Now, you can get an RWB for habang mura pa tong 997. I'm not saying this will stay affordable, pero with the current trend ng Porsches, they always go up in price. So there's a time in the future that this car will be also very costly due to the Porsche tax. It's like a Honda, di ba? Tumataas yung value ng kotse because of its fan base. Okay? So right now, we're going to put down the, the body kit from the car, and let's talk about this car while we do it. Tara! Deck lid muna tayo. Oh my God! Oh my God. First out of the car, the deck lid or the engine cover. This car nga pala is a Carrera S na manual. If you haven't watched that video, it's a Carrera S na manual na may supercharger from VF Engineering. And then of course, it has a Vorsteiner GT kit, kaya iba na yung itsura niya. It's not a GT3, it's not a GT car. It's actually a Carrera S lang. It's a base model na pinaporma. And I have no regrets. Passenger side na side skirt. So let's lay it out. Tama-tama, habang wala tayong content sa Silvia, this is actually great content for this channel kasi may downtime tayo sa Silvia natin. Ginagawa pa kasi ni Kuya John yung Silvia. So, yeah. And then, flares. This is the one with the gas tank. Eh! Eh! Eh!
Ito, logo.
Legit, boss. Pakita mo. Tingin niya. Kita ba? Legit, Brad.
Legit check.
Teka, walang ilaw.
Flashlight.
Wala akong flash, wala cellphone.
Fuck! Ito. Parang makuha mo. Uy!
I see it.
Kita ba?
Nakita. Sa taas.
Yun.
Ano naman, pakita mo ulit. Fuck, hindi kita sa frame. Fuck you guys. Pero yeah, it's original. Of course, you can't get a fake RWB naman. Alright, so here it is. The whole kit. Ah, my God. So, pinag-ipunan ko to ng maigi. Because this is it. After nito, I'm probably gonna retire from cars, man. Probably. Wala na, dulo na to. Game over na after this. There's nothing more. Yeah. Para sa akin, this is like the end na. There's more cars out there na maganda, but para sa akin, this is it. Probably just gonna go farming na lang after this. Alright, welcome back. This is the next day and the car is on jack stands na. We are actually going to test fit the body kit na. But before we test fit the body kit, we're actually going to test fit the other RWB ng ating kaibigang si Kevin Chong. There's two RWBs na 997 na gagawin. One is mine and one is my good friend Kevin's. Congratulations din Brad sa ating dalawa. We actually sabay tayo nag-RWB. So, iti-test fit muna namin yung .1 body kit. My body kit is .2, 997.2. 997.1 yung kay Kevin. We're gonna test fit that first and we're going to check muna kung ano yung clearances problems sa kanya, if meron. If wala, good, and then we'll do mine last. So, the boys are here, mga tao ni Boss Angie, mga loyal supporters ni Boss Angie are here. Kuya Kevin, Kuya Norman. Sila rin yung kasama namin bumuo ng RX-7, Archangel, live in Carrera Showroom. We're gonna do the test fit muna kay Kevin. And it's on time lapse right there. And we have Jonas. Jonas, pakita ka naman. He's the guy that did my video sa Supra. Nice to work with you again. Oh. So, if you haven't watched that Supra video, I'll just put it here. But for now, we're gonna do the RWB test fit. We put it here sa harap. May skylight kasi dito, may skybox dito. So it's putting light downwards. Actually, dapat pala nilapit pa natin ng konti, pero okay lang, hindi na makakapasok yung kotse. So, good lighting for Jonas's B-roll shots. So, test fit lang muna natin yung bumpers and then I'll let you guys know. I'll update you kung anong mangyayari. But so far, full tear down. Okay. Alright, we did a quick interview segment with Jonas for the RWB build. That's done. Our time lapse is ongoing. So, fit na nila Kuya Kev yung body kit natin. We actually fitted the other one kanina. And we actually, here's the pictures of nung second kit for Kevin. All good lahat. So, the goal for today is to check if we have to inform na Kaisan of small adjustments that we have to do, of missing parts if may nawawala sa logistics, but overall wala naman. So we're gonna fit the body kit naman ng kotse natin as is na. So once again, street kit yung binili ko. And then kay Kevin is yung track kit. The track kit is so wide. The street kit is the not so wide one. I chose that so we'll have a demo car for the track and the street spec, so that when you guys want to do an RWB, you can just see our cars here and you can compare. Oh, I like the wider one. Oh, I like the street one lang. So, ganun. That's the purpose of it. So, ngayon, I'm gonna leave it to the boys to fit everything muna, and then we're gonna measure. There's a lot of things we have to do, So, yeah. Stay tuned. They'll fit the front bumper first, and I'll get back to you later. Bili tayo sa pupunta akong Greenbelt. No! Tatakbo ng ganyan. Here it is. It's done. Na-test fit na natin and kuta natin na maayos. So we're still missing a chin that needs to be shipped. Boss Angie has that covered na. So I'm planning to keep the wing. Yung Vorsteiner wing ko, hindi ko nakakalasin. I'm gonna keep it. Here it is, finally done. Pipinturahan na lang natin to and we're gonna wait for Nakaisan, December. So the paint process, we need to have it done immediately na. Pati ito nagawa na ng paraan. Okay na lahat. One more ikot with a better lighting. Naka-overexpose pala tayo. Oh yan. Let's do it. Damn, bro, it's so wide. Okay, ito na ang era natin, wide body era. Alright, that's it, that's going to be it. The next videos for this will be probably the paint process, the kay N Sport. We're going to have to do some mechanical bit pa, the IMS bearing, papaayos ko na rin yung IMS bearing kay paring Errol. Supercharger, papa-rebuild na rin natin siguro kay Kuya John. What else? We're gonna fix up that car naman this time. So stay tuned, habang wala yung Silvia natin, this is going to be the content, 997 muna tayo. We can do some content on the Supra as well, but I'm pretty much done with this car. Pero yeah, that's going to be it. Where is it? There it is. Our 997 RWB Build has officially begun. See you in the next episode. It's your boy Fitman. I'll see you next time.